All right, we're going to talk about more particle motion. Isn't that exciting? I can hear you all screaming.
Kill me now!
Alrighty, so we're going to talk mostly about the difference between net and total distance, and then we're going to apply them. Some of you are in physics. What's the difference between net and total distance?
Net distance is the combination.
Sure. Go.
Net is the sum and total.
I have a question.
Total is the total distance. It's the sum of them all. Net is like the displacement. Okay? All right, so particle moves along the x-axis as it follows this thing. I think this is one of the ones I took directly from your homework, so you should know how to do it. Determine p prime of 3 and p double prime of 3. In other words, what am I asking you to find? Velocity and acceleration.
But let's refresh how to find the derivative.
That's what we're going to do. So p prime of t is going to be 2e to the 2t. Why? Because we take the derivative of the exponent, we bring it down, multiply by the original, and then multiply by ln of e. Oh, yeah, there's two of them over there. All right, minus 5. Amazing. Then let's find p prime of 3, because that's what we're supposed to do. So that'll be 2e to the 6 minus 5.
But what's
Why do you leave the 2t and you don't subtract?
Because it's an exponential, buddy.
But how is it p prime of t 2e to t if it's e to the 2t? Wouldn't it be just
Because the derivative of the exponent comes down, so 2, times the original function. That's the exponential derivative. I promise.
learn that when?
Oh, a while ago. Unit 3?
Are you sure?
I am.
I don't remember.
Well, that sucks for you.
Maybe you made it up.
I didn't make anything up. Okay, p double prime of t now is just going to be 4e to the 2t. That's it. No minus 5 because it goes away. So p double prime of 3 is going to be 4e to the 6. Describe what they represent. So this is the velocity at t equals 3. And this is the acceleration at t equals 3. Amazing.
Whatever you say.
Yes, I said it. Because it's amazing. Amazing. Oh, I can't leave that open. I forgot. Can you guys open that window for me? Can you open it?
Did you see the entire
I can't leave this one open because then basically in the video you just hear all this. It's not freezing, dude. I'm so hot. It's like, I can't even put on my coat. My goodness. Okay, you know what, buddy?
conceited and horrible.
Oh my god, man. Now that's in the video. Awkward. All right, so. Come on. Okay, I'm going to open that window.
On Thursdays, I am Fridays, I'm slower.
I'm going to open it. If you need to, get a big hammer. Hold up.
How is it not even cold if it's raining?
It's not raining.
You know that today.
I heard. You should all run home after this. Alrighty, you're clearly talking, Paulina. Part-time Paulina's done. So the graph, listen up. The graph below represents the velocity v of t, which is measured in meters per second, of a particle moving along the x-axis. At what value of t does the particle have an acceleration, no acceleration, sorry, on the interval 0, 10? So we want to know when a of t is equal to 0, or is undefined.
3 to 5.
At inflection points.
What graph is this?
That is the graph of the particle.
That's the velocity.
So it's going to happen to those.
But wait, Mr. Backward, wouldn't the acceleration also be 0 when the line is straight?
Because we're going at a constant speed.
So there's a bunch of answers here. Let's get them all in. So we're going from 0 to 10, so we can't include 0. So that means it's going to be at t equals 1, t equals 3, 2, 6, intervaled, and 8. And we can't include 10 because it's an endpoint. So it'd be those 4. All right. Therefore, a of t has no acceleration. What are they doing up there?
We should go on the walk.
Oh my god, let's play.
I would love to take you for a walk, but not right now.
Oh,
No.
Express
Wait.
express the what the acceleration AFT as a as a
when you
as a piecewise function, defined function on the interval from 0 to 10. Okay. Well, this is obnoxious. So AFT is going to be a whole bunch of stuff. It's going to be what's this slope? 3 from 0 to 1.
What are you doing?
I'm finding the slopes, right? And then here, it's what is that going to be? Negative 3? You want to go to the bathroom. Awkward. From t to, or 1 to 3. Then it's going to be 0 from 3 to 6. Then it's going to be positive 3. From 6 to 8. And finally, coming down here, that slope is going to be negative 3 halves. And that one's going to be from 8 to 10. Oh, that was an obnoxious one.
Absolutely.
I know, right?
Stop now and be done with it.
If only.
Let's play kickball.
Okay, not going to happen. For what value of t is the particle moving to the right? To the left. Justify your answer.
It's moving to the right. Always.
So it's going to go to the right anytime that v of t
It's positive.
is positive. So that's going to be from 0 to 2, unioned with 7 to 10. And it's going to go to the left from 2 to 7. And that's because
Wait, keep.
v of t is negative. Amazing.
Oh my god, but can you make it stop?
No, I'm just moving it up so you can see it better.
Also, you have a problem. You write your use like a V, so it's like confusing.
All right, find the average acceleration of the particle from 1 to 8. So remember, that means I'm going to find v of 8 minus v of 1 over a minus 1, which is, I don't actually know. V of 8 is 3, V of 1 is 3. Oh, look, Rolle's theorem. I mean, it's not, but it could be. So it's going to be 0 over 7, which is 0 meters per second squared. We're not moving. We're accelerating. We are moving. We're not accelerating.
Where did we get? Because we have
I know, right? All right, on what interval of time is the particle speeding up or slowing down? Explain our reasoning. All right, so we're going to go speed up. This is going to happen. Let's start with like our reasoning. So this is going to happen because v of t and a of t have same sign. All right, so where would they have the same sign? Let's see. It's when the velocity is positive and the slope is positive. So that would be from 0 to 1. It's also going to be from 2 to 3
Yeah.
and 7 to 8.
Yeah. No, from 6 to 8.
Okay, hang on. Let me do them one at a time. So 0 to 1,
6 to
and then I
7.
said the velocity and the slope are negative here, so that's 2 to 3. And then the other one is going to be when it is positive slope and the velocity is positive, so from 7 to 8. 7 to 8. Yay, we're done. All right, and then we got to speed down. Let's say slow down. That sounded awkward. It's going to slow down because V of t and A of t, salute,
Thank you.
have different signs. Alrighty, so without even looking at it, I'm pretty sure I can guess that it's going to be from 1 to 2. It won't be 3 to 7 though, because there's that flat part.
Yeah.
So 6 to 7. Oh my God, no. 6 to 7. And then again from 8 to 10. 8 to 10. Amazing.
No, wait, I'm reading reasoning. B of T and A of T have different signs.
All right. Shall we define net and total distance?
Wait. You know what?
I'm waiting. What do you need?
finishing writing.
Girl, we got to work on your penmanship.
But you're typing, I'm reading.
I wrote all of that. I didn't type any of that. What? 222. Make a wish. Okay.
Oh my god.
I know, right? I can't tell you, then it won't come true.
Oh my god,
The distance between, I'll tell you after. The point of origin and the final position.
Wait, what? You have to understand.
I thought that was a student. That's a teacher.
Oh my god, it was Mr. Sabiro.
No.
You know what happened to us with Mr. Sabiro?
She's like the same height, and they're in elementary school.
And she's standing on a ledge. Think about it. With Mr. Sabiro, and the guy of Confama said, "I need a teacher, please." And Mr. Sabiro raises his hand, and the man from Confama
Too funny.
said, "Are you sure?"
All right, our total distance is the sum of all distances traveled in any direction. In other words, in physics, you know this as displacement.
Wait, no,
What?
wait.
I'm just moving it up so you can see it. Hard time, Paulina. Chill out.
Let's take a break.
You're going to give Pertuzza an aneurysm. Pertuzza's sitting there, she's like, what's an aneurysm? What's an aneurysm? What's an aneurysm?
That's not how you spell travel, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, no.
Better?
Yeah. But you're Canadian, you should know that.
Sorry. That was not intentional. All right, we good?
Wait.
No.
That's why I asked.
Now I'm good. I am finishing the first one. Oh my god, no, Paulina is really slow.
Yeah, that's why I call her part-time Paulina. She's part-time Paulina because she doesn't work. Look, Pedro Juan looks like he's going to fall asleep. He's so bored.
I work, but I'm slow.
But it's because of the distance, not because of today's.
All right, if the particle is moving in the same direction the entire amount of time, what can be said about the net distance and total distance? They're the same. Same. Or samesies. Personally, I like samesies better. It's more fun. All right, now, to find the net distance of a particle travels on an interval, on the interval AB, closed interval, I should say, the net distance
Oh my god, this is such a good question.
is the absolute value of P of A minus P of B, absolute value.
Wait, what?
Is K?
Well, to find the net distance,
What is the P?
wait,
What does the P stand for?
That's it.
yeah,
The distances are those. Absolute value.
It's the function name. Particle. Yeah.
Why can't we leave physics in physics?
no, physics and calculus are the same course. Okay, next one. We're going to find total distance. So if the particle moves only in one direction,
Wait, what?
then the total distance is the absolute value of P of A minus P of B, or the other way around. And if the direction of motion changes, say at t equals c, on AB, then the total distance is the absolute value of P of A minus P of C plus the absolute value of P of C minus P of B, absolute value. Amazing!
Wait.
I haven't done anything.
But
we know.
That's a horrendous.
It's okay, you'll live.
Wait.
That's going to be a funny comment in the
No.
video. All right, the position of a particle is given by the function
That's what me.
P of t equals 2t cubed minus 6t squared plus AT. Where P of t is measured in centimeters, find the net and total distance the particle travels from 1.5 to 4 seconds. All right. So the net is easy. In order to find our net, d, we just go the absolute value of P of 1.5 minus the absolute value, or minus P of 4,
What is net D?
the net distance. All right. So then I plug in 1.5. I did it already for you because I did. I wanted to make sure we had time. And then you plug in 4 into this equation as well. And when I did that, you got 64.
We plugged it in while we were running.
I don't know what you're talking about. And so that's going to give us 58.75 centimeters. Now we got to do the total D. All right, first step.
It looks like 15.25 minus.
We're going to factor it.
¿Qué es eso?
What are you doing, sir?
Did you factor?
I got to factor it because remember, if it has roots, it changes direction. Oh, wait.
It has
What?
roots.
I have to take the derivative first. Woo!
What? Wait, who?
So P prime of t, which is V of t, sorry, I'm sorry, it's going to be 6t squared minus 12t plus 8. Okay, there we go. Now we can factor it. Woo! That was scary. All right, so we want that thing to be equal to 0.
Where did we get this magic number? Ah, you took the first.
I took the derivative, yeah. All right, something that multiplies to positive 48 and adds to negative 12.
48?
Not possible.
Why is it 48? Where did you get 48?
What?
Guys, that's pre-calc. 6 times 8 is 48, so I need to multiply to that, and I need to add to negative 12, the middle number.
Wait.
I don't factor it has to.
You
it has
multiply to A times C,
I don't.
and you add
To B.
to B, always.
I didn't.
Okay, well, you need to come see me later, and I can teach you how to factor again.
So it can't be factored.
So basically, it's not factorable, because I can't get something that multiplies to 48 and adds to negative 12. Because the only way to multiply to a positive is 2 negatives or 2 positives. Well, 2 positives will not add to negative 12, and 2 negatives that are factors of 48 are not going to add to 12 either. Like, what do I do? Like 4 and 12? No. 6 and 8? No. That's 14. And then they repeat 8 and 6. So there are none. So no roots. No roots. We like it when there's no roots, because what does that mean? Therefore, never changes direction. Never changes that direction. Which means that total D equals net D, which equals, what was it again? 58.75 centimeters. Amazing. Look at us do that one. Right? She okay?
Yes, she's getting her class stuff.
Okay. And now we continue. You got me sick.
Never can, never cheat.
You just sniffled. You're the reason I'm sick right now.
I'm sorry, and I am sick.
Go home. Get your family sick, not me.
They sent me here.
You know why now? And you know what? Now you're all sick because you all shared a cookie at the beginning of class.
No, we totally did.
You guys ready for a rough weekend? Part-time Paulino, do your work.
I'm gonna make 40 minutes to eat that cookie.
Can you imagine, like, anybody that's watching this later that's in this class is going to be like, you're going to literally get the nickname Part-time Paulina now.
Of course, no, do you think anyone's gonna watch the video? Only Emilia. I'm kidding.
Amelia, Pablo will watch. No, he won't.
Pablo won't watch
Miguel
it.
won't.
It's gonna be Emilia.
Daniel won't. Yeah, it's just going to
It's
be Amelia.
gonna be Emilia.
Jack will watch it.
Give them a shout.
Anyway, no. All right, the position of particle is given by the function P of t equals new function.
Yay! Wait, can we try to do this one on our own? Because I didn't understand the single thing you said.
Let's do it together.
I don't get that concept.
Okay. So guys, if we're doing this, the net D is always just going to be the absolute value. Okay? So it's the absolute value of these two endpoints. So P of 1.5 minus,
Why are we putting 1.5 first? If it's the P of A
because it doesn't matter the order, and I want you to remember. It doesn't matter if we go A minus B or B minus A.
Why is the absolute value?
because it doesn't matter if it's moving left or right.
It's a scalar.
0.5 minus 1.
So that's going to be, you know what, let's not bother, let's just work it out fully. In our calculators,
Wait, gotta put calculator.
How do I plug that into a calculator?
how would I show you?
Yay.
Okay, so it was the absolute value of e to the power of 2 times 1.5. What? 2 times 1.5, there we go. And then what was it, minus 8 times 1.5? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Minus,
2 times 1.5.
what?
It's 2 times 1.5 in the first exponent.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm writing out the question, guys. This whole thing, this is at 1.5, now minus when it's at 0.5. So it should be actually, I can just do it this way. It's the same thing. The same, except that this goes to 0.5 instead of 1.5. So our answer should be 9.367. 9.637
You said 367.
feet.
367.
You know what?
Wait,
That's
wait.
367.
367 feet. Sorry.
Can you go back to this? I want to write down how you wrote it. Thank you.
Yeah, 367. You're right.
You're amazing.
We are amazing.
No, I was talking about we. You are we. Yes, please.
I mean, at this moment, Yakaman is pretty amazing. He's not failing, and then almost everyone else at his table is. Amelia is also pretty amazing.
There's like 2 people failing.
No, there's 4, and they're all at the same table.
Yay!
You know what that tells you? They talk too much at that table. Right, Matthias?
They don't have ChatGPT, is what it tells me.
Total D now. We're going to move on. Okay, so V of t, I'm just going to take the derivative. So that's going to be 2e to the 2t minus 8. I'm just taking the derivative of p of t, right?
Yeah.
Then, make it equal to 0. So I'm going to get 8 equals 2e to the 2t. So 4 equals e to the 2t. That's annoying.
I know.
I know it
You
doesn't
were the one
work.
who decided that.
No, it works. It's just going to be annoying. So let's see. It would be like ln of 4
Why?
equals 2t ln of e. That cancels. So it's going to be over 2. Okay, there you go. So t is equal to ln of 4 over 2. Right? Because what did I do? I took the ln of both sides. Logarithm rules tell us that the exponent can come down in front. Ln of e is 1, so it disappeared. Then I just divided by 2, and that's what my t was equal to. So we should probably find out what that is as a decimal. Somebody want to help me out?
You
Didn't
also
think
have
so.
one open. We don't.
Oh, yeah.
You also have a calculator in your hands right now.
All right. It's 0.693. All right, so now I can do a little like charty chart. So what do I got to do? I got to do... Actually, I don't even need to do a chart. Yeah, no, I don't even need to do one. So that means that my total distance is going to be equal to the absolute value of p of 1.5 minus p, whoops, there we go, minus p of 0.693 plus the absolute value of p of 0.693. Oh no.
Oh my god, you should give like a warning before we start to write. Yeah.
Okay, you know, we'll write it underneath. We'll write it underneath. Plus absolute value.
No, that's gonna give me like some.
Conniptions.
Yeah. I'm gonna have a nightmare.
Minus p of 0. Was it 5? Yeah, 0.5.
And it's plus what? But
So we have to add those two absolute values, right? Because it turned around at 0.693 seconds. And then when we put that in our calculator, we're going to get 9.894 feet. I did this one earlier just because I felt like I wanted to. So you notice it's a little bit bigger than the net distance. What does that mean? That means that some of that distance, like it changed direction and came back a little bit. It was like whoop, and then back. Como?
you
It went
sound
forward
like
like this?
when you.
And then it stopped. And then we're back to salute.
Like when you so wait, Mr. Bradford. So the
Oh my god,
so
this
the
other chair might
is
be so
displacement,
fun.
like the endpoint, like
Yeah, this is like your displacement. This is the distance.
We should go
okay,
select.
that makes sense. Wait, no.
What displacement means?
Yes, sir.
Poor timing, but sure.
I do it, but I do it us too.
You got to do it. Don't worry about it. The position of a particle is given by P of t. Listen up. We'll have the concert after. For now, we do this. Yagaman. Love that last name. Listen up, buddy. The position of a particle is given by the no.
Okay, net.
P of t equals t plus 2 sine t. P of t is measured in feet, net and total.
So it's absolute value.
Yeah.
P of 5 pi over 4 minus P.
P of pi over 6. Look at, I love it when she knows what's going on.
Amazing. It never happens.
Yeah.
It's such a rare occurrence.
All right. Do you guys need me to put that in the calculator, or do you guys know how to do that?
You can put it in the calculator.
Thank you.
All right, fine. We'll put it in the calculator. So it's the absolute value. What?
I think it's supposed to be.
It doesn't matter.
5 pi.
That's why I'm doing it this way, because I want you guys to know you can do it either way. So it was t plus 2 sine 5 pi over 4.
5 pi over 6.
Thank you.
The what?
5 pi over 6.
If you write pi, it shows pi.
Yeah.
See?
Right here, I see.
Minus. That's not right. That should have been plus.
No.
No, yes, it is.
It is. It is so.
Because of the equation. Okay, yeah.
Yes, 5 over 6.
Okay. Minus. No, it's not 5 pi. What's the other one? Pi.
Pi over 6.
Pi. Sorry. Pi over 6. Plus 2 sine.
Yes. 2.094.
That's not right. It's 5 pi over 4.
Yes, because I said 5 pi over 4 from the beginning. You put 5 pi over 6.
Sorry. 0.989. 0.989 feet. All right, total. First thing we gotta do, find the derivative. V of t, Matthias, is what? 1 plus 2 cosine t. Yeah, good job, buddy. All right, then we make that equal to 0. And then I move that over, so I get like negative 1/2 equals cosine of t. When does that happen?
Where did you get?
Negative 1/2 equals.
I moved over I minus the 1 and then divided by 2. So I get negative 1/2. Cosine of t is equal to negative 1/2 at.
Negative 1/2 at. Let me do
It's going to quadrant
It's at.
2 pi over 3.
2 pi over 3 and
Where does it say 2 pi over?
quadrant 3.
How do I read the
Pi over 3.
4 pi over 3. So 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. That's going to be in quadrants 2 and 3. Right? So that's where it's going to be negative. Which one of those doesn't matter?
The one that is outside the interval.
Pi over 3.
Outside interval. Love it when that happens.
The best.
I know. All right.
Are we done?
No, we got to actually do the total distance now.
Mr.
You can do it. Don't worry.
Prepare the space to write.
Prepare the space to write. P of 5 pi over 4 minus P of 2 pi over 3. Absolute value. Plus the absolute value of P of 2 pi over 3 minus P of pi over 6. Absolute value. That equals 3.617 feet. I did it earlier. If you don't believe me, we can put it in the calculator if you want.